Hello everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Life. We'll discuss tuple in this video. Okay, let me create a tuple. See, tuples will be created with parentheses, that is round brackets. So I'm creating tuple here. Tuple equals to 156a4.5. String I have given, float I have given, and integers I have given. And I'm printing tuple. Let me check the output. Yeah, I got the tuple as output. Now we'll check the index. Same as usual, using index operator. I'm checking the value at 2. So I got 6. In order to get the range of values, I'm using colon operator here. I'll get the range of values. And if I use a negative operator, a negative index, I'll get values from the end of the tuple. Like 4.5 is considered as a -1 index. So -2 from A, I got the output. A and 4.5. From -2 to end of the tuple. Let me give another index values, negative index values, and let me check the output how I'm going to get. -2 I have given and I have checked, right? So let me give some other values over here. -1 to range of -4. Let me check the output. So -4 and -1. So I got the output as 56A. So I got an output from -4 to -1 from the end of the tuple. Now we'll discuss another method in tuple. Tuple unpacking methods. Like, see, in packing of tuple, we give the multiple values in a single variable, right? Here I'm assigning different values to the number of variables. Like, I'm using ABC as a variable here, and I'm assigning tuple to those multiple variables. And let me check the output. Like, I'm printing A and printing B, and also I'll print C, and I'll check the output here. Print C. So I got an output Sony K and HYD. Now we'll concatenate tuples. So I'll be taking tuple 1 and tuple 2, and I'll add those tuples. And let me check the concatenation of tuple. So I'm giving tuple 1 is equals to 1 comma A, that is string which is quoted in single quotes, 5 comma 6 comma 8. And I'm taking another tuple as 2, tuple 2, and I'm assigning values. So 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, and I'll be concatenate by using tuple 3, tuple 1 plus tuple 2 plus tuple 2. I'll print tuple 3, tuple 3, and let me check the output here. I got the output by adding these two tuples. In Python, we have another method called membership test. In that, we are going to check whether the value is present in tuple or not. So let me check whether the value is present in my tuple or not. So I am creating a tuple here, and I am assigning values A, comma B, comma C. A, comma B, comma C. I have assigned values to the tuple. And now I'll be printing whether the A is present in my tuple or not, and whether I'll be assigning another value whether it will be present in my tuple or not. So I'll get an output whether it is true or false. Print A in tuple, print B, print B or some other values I'll be assigning, print D in tuple. So let me check the output here. True, one is true and another is false. Let me discuss the another method in tuple, that is count. I'll be counting the values present in the tuple. I'll be creating the tuple 1. We're creating the tuple as A comma A, comma B, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, and I'll be printing print. So in order to get the count of values, I'll be doing the print function over here. Print tuple dot count of A, and let me check the output here. So I got the output as 2, since A and A has declared 2 times, right? So I got the output as 2. Now I'm using index method, where we can get the value at the particular index. So I'm assigning A here. I'm going to get the index value. So A is at 0 index. Okay. So I got the output at 0 index. Next, I'll be giving another value as 1. Let me check the 1 is present at which index. I got at 3. At 3 position, I got the value as 1. 0A, 1A, B2 and 1 is 3. So this is a simple method of index and count in tuple. Now we are using for loop, where for I am giving for name in, so I will be assigning some names. So for loop is used to iterate the values to get the output, right? So I am giving here name as Sony and another value, a name Divya. So for name in Sony and Divya, I'll be giving print. So indentation is important in Python, right? So you should give a gap before writing the another line. Print hello comma name. Let me check the output. I got hello Sony and hello Devya. Now I'm going to take nested data types in tuple. I'm creating tuple is equals to 1 comma. So I have given list over here. These are the nested values in the tuple. List 2 comma. So a string and float I have given, and 6, 7, 8 value. Then print tuple. So in nested tuple, I'm giving the index as 1 and 2. So I'll be getting the output at the index of 1, in the 1 at the index of 2. So I got 3.2 as output. Since tuple is immutable, that cannot be changed, but in tuple we have nested data types, right? So in the list, in the tuple we have a list as in nested data type, so that we can change that value. So I am assigning tuple 1 of 0, tuple 1 at the index 1, and the another value in that one index, that is 0. I am changing it to 2. So I will be changing it to 3, and let me get the output. Print tuple. Since list is a changeable data type, so the value at the list can be changed. This is all about tuples.